In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a CIBC debit card to Apple Pay. This process will allow you to make seamless and contactless payments using your device, making transactions easier and more convenient than ever before. Let's get started. To begin, open the CIBC mobile banking app on your device. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your accounts displayed on the screen. From this list, you need to tap on your checking account. This is where your debit card details are linked, and it's essential for the next steps. Now, after selecting your checking account, look for the option labeled Account Info and give it a tap. This section holds various details about your account, and we're specifically interested in the settings related to Apple Pay. As you scroll down through the account information, keep an eye out for Apple Pay settings. Selecting this will take you to the necessary setup options. In the Apple Pay settings section, you'll find an option for Apple Wallet. Tap on it to continue. This will initiate the process of adding your debit card to Apple Pay. The next step involves receiving a verification code, which is crucial for securing your card's addition to Apple Pay. Tap Send to receive this code, which will arrive via the method you've set for receiving security messages, usually a text message or an email. Once you have received your verification code, enter it into the required field and tap Next. This step confirms your identity and authorizes the linking of your debit card to Apple Pay. After entering the code, you'll see a prompt to tap OK, followed by another Next at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap both of these to proceed. You're almost there. The final step involves reviewing the terms and conditions for using Apple Pay with your CIBC debit card. Take a moment to read through them, and when you're ready, tap Agree to accept. This is the last action required to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully added your CIBC debit card to Apple Pay. Your card is now linked and ready for use with contactless payments, allowing you to make transactions easily and securely with just a tap of your device. And that's how to add a CIBC debit card to Apple Pay. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.